Hello friends, today we will learn how to find unit weight of steel bar. We will derive formula to find unit weight of steel bar. Now first thing you have to understand is what is unit weight. Unit weight of steel bar means weight of steel bar of 1 meter length. Here in figure, one steel bar is shown which is having length 1 meter and assume diameter of bar d in mm. Now, bar having circular cross sectional area, so cross sectional area is equal to pi by 4 d square. As unit of diameter is in mm, so cross sectional area we get in mm square. Now we know density of steel 7850 kilogram per meter cube. Now weight is equal to volume into density. So unit weight of steel bar is equal to volume of steel bar of 1 meter length into density of steel. Volume is equal to area into length, cross sectional area pi by 4 d square. Unit is mm square. Length 1 meter. Density of steel 7850 kilogram per meter cube. Here cross sectional area is in mm square, length is in meter, density is in kilogram per meter cube. So before simplifying, we will convert cross sectional area in meter square. So we multiply 10 raised to minus 3 square. Now area gets converted into meter square. After simplifying, we are getting d square by 162.196 kg per meter. So approximately d square by 162 kg per meter. In this formula, we will take diameter of bar in mm. Suppose diameter of bar is given 12 mm. So unit weight is equal to d square by 162. 12 square divided by 162. So we are getting 0.888 kg per meter. If length of bar is given 5 meter, then multiply length and unit weight. You will get 4.44 kilogram. So weight of steel bar is equal to length of steel bar and unit weight of steel bar. Here we take one example. Calculate weight of steel bar having 10 mm diameter and 6 meter length. So weight according to this formula is equal to length into unit weight. Length is 6 meter, unit weight 10 square divided by 162 and we get 3.7 kg. So by using this formula, we can estimate the quantity of steel required on construction site.